Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe that I make often, which is hash brown casserole. This isn't the healthiest recipe ever, but if you're looking for an easy side dish or some good old comfort food, this recipe is perfect. So here are all of the ingredients for hash brown casserole. You will need 1 bag of frozen shredded hash brown potatoes, cheese, butter, an onion, cream of chicken soup, and lastly, sour cream. So I'm going to start by chopping up this onion. I prefer to have slightly larger pieces just so they aren't so hidden throughout the casserole, but you can definitely chop them up smaller if you prefer it that way. Now I'm going to saute the onions with just a little bit of butter until they're translucent and tender. While my onions are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. The onions are done cooking, so now I'm going to shred my cheese and then move to the next step of this recipe, which is to mix all the ingredients in one big bowl. For the casserole mixture, you're going to add 1 thawed bag of shredded hash brown potatoes, 2 cups of sour cream, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon or so of salt and pepper, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and then sauteed onions. Now that I have everything mixed really well, I'm going to put it into a greased casserole dish and bake it for 45 minutes on 350. And that's it for this recipe. This dish is super easy and simple to make, and it's a perfect side dish for any meal. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description box just in case you missed anything. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!